Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are dealing with the important questions that are asked in the various exams about the Indus Valley civilization. Let us start the video. Indus Valley civilization was discovered by the Dayaram Sahni. Which amongst the following civilization was not contemporary with the Harappan civilization? Answer is Mesopotamian civilization. Clay model of fluff has been found from? Answer is Banavali. The site of Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of river Indus. The site of Mohenjo-daro was discovered by the R.D. Banerjee. In which of the following Indus Valley sites bull seal was found? Answer is Harappa. The famous bronze dancing girl was found in Mohenjo-daro. Nature of Indus Valley civilization was urban. A seal depicting Mother Goddess with plant growing from the womb has been found from? Answer is Harappa. Which of the following animals was unknown in the Indus Valley civilization period? Lion. Which site of Harappan civilization has yielded a beautiful bronze image of chariot? Answer is Daimabad. The script of Indus Valley civilization is undeciphered. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? Answer is Lothal. The people of Indus Valley civilization they worshipped male god Pasupati. Remains of horse bears have been found from Surkotada. Bones of camels have been found at Kalibangan. Kalibangan is from Rajasthan. The unique structure in Mohenjo-daro was bathing pool. This question may be asked in a different way. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites gives evidence of a lipstick? Chanhudaro. Which was the only Indus city without a citadel? Chanhudaro. The best drainage system in Indus Valley civilization was Mohenjo-daro. One of the following Indus Valley sites in Pakistan. Lothal is from Gujarat, Kalibangan is from Rajasthan, Harappa is from Pakistan. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization site was located on the Iranian border? Suktajandar. The site of Alamgirpur is located on the bank of river Hindon. A statue of Beardman was found at This is very important. Mohenjo-daro. The Indus Valley civilization people traded with the Mesopotamians. Which metal was unknown to Indus Valley civilization people? Iron. The local name of Mohenjo-daro is Mound of Dead. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in the year 1921. In Indus Valley civilization, Kalibangan is famous for which of the following? Kalibangan is famous for pottery. Which amongst the following is not a site of Indus Valley civilization? Hastinapur. The Harappans were the earliest people to produce cotton. A couple burial was found from which of the following Harappan sites? Lothal. The Harappan site Manda was situated on the banks of which river? Chenab. Harappa is located on the bank of river Ravi. Worship of Mother Goddess was associated with Indus Valley civilization.